In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Memes token using Trust Wallet. To begin, you'll need to open your Trust Wallet app. Once you're inside, you'll notice a range of features, including the options to send, swap, fund, and sell your tokens. These are essential tools that allow you to manage and interact with the various cryptocurrencies you can hold within the Trust Wallet ecosystem. The first step on our journey to obtaining Memes token is to acquire some Binance Coin or BNB. To do this, simply go to the Fund section and click on Buy Crypto. You'll be taken to the purchase page where you can select BNB as the specific cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Here, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to buy and select your preferred payment method and network. Once you've entered all the details, follow the prompts provided on your screen to complete the transaction. And just like that, you've got your BNB ready to go. Now, let's go back to your Trust Wallet. The next phase involves swapping your BNB. Locate the swap function and click on it. You'll see a From section. Here, you want to select Binance by clicking on the arrow. Moving on to the To section, you will choose BNB. Please enter the amount you wish to swap and then click on the Swap button to initiate the transaction. Patiently wait for the swap to complete. Depending on whether you're using a mobile phone or a laptop, accessing PancakeSwap might look slightly different. If you're on a mobile device, click on Discover and enter PancakeSwap Finance to connect your wallet. If you're like me and prefer using a laptop, simply head directly to the PancakeSwap website. With PancakeSwap open, your next task is to select the Memes token. For this, we will consult coinmarketcap.com. Head over to their website and search for the specific meme token you're interested in. Once you've located it, you will find its contract address on the left side of the page. Copy this contract address because we're going to need it directly in PancakeSwap. Return to the PancakeSwap page. In the To section, click on the arrow, which will open a search bar. Paste the contract address you just copied into this bar and click Import to bring up the meme token. After that, enter the amount of Memes token you want to purchase and click Swap to execute the transaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to buy Memes token using Trust Wallet. Keep exploring to find even more opportunities in the ever-expanding world of cryptocurrency.